Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of March. So basically, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 when you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. If you keep all 5 items, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee. I no longer have the $20 styling fee for each box because I was offered the Style Pass a couple years ago, and so each year I pay a one-time $49 fee to have unlimited fixes sent to me for the year. For this fix, I didn't have any specific requests for my stylist. I just asked her if it was time to start transitioning into spring, and then I did ask her to keep the prices down on this box since last month's box was a little bit pricey. So we're going to get into my box to see what I got for this month. When you open up your box, it looks like this. You've got your package. On the side here, I have my prepaid mailer bag. This bag is used to send back anything that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll use this bag. I have my envelope, and inside my envelope is my price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 31 for me. Also in the envelope is your Oh Hello card, and that has all the style suggestions for the items that are in your box, but it also has a note from your stylist. My stylist is Kara, and I've had her the entire time. And it says, Jennifer, it's fix day. How are you doing? Are you in a routine and getting used to the new way you teach from virtual to in the classroom? It's been different this year, that's for sure. We took our daughter for a tour of her potential school, and even for me, it was so different. They have special spots with their own toys to play with, socially distancing, but they assured us that they don't know anything different. It's a different world right now, that's for sure. I completely agree. Well, anyway, let's dive into this sweet surprise today. Thank you for asking me about transitioning into spring, and yes, definitely. There are so many new trends like black and white combos, which is what inspired the floral dress. Add a spring pop of color with the ribbed cardigan, and you can still do leggings with boots. This cardigan will look amazing over the paisley top and navy pants from last fix too. Kara. And so here's my style card. And I love how they give you suggestions for each of the items in your box. And so here's what my bundle looks like. I love that pink color. I see a pair of jeans. Jeans are always kind of iffy for me because I have a 33 to 34 inch inseam, so we'll see how those work for me. First on top is by Loveappella. It's a Dovyan crochet lace detail knit top in navy, and it looks like this. So it's navy, and it has some crochet detail at the top around the neck here. It's a paisley print. It has like some coral and some like a teal green and some maybe like a little bit of a mustard yellow. I'll get that up close so you can see that, but that's the print there. It's very stretchy. Looks like it will wash well. I just want to see what it's made of. 95% rayon, 5% spandex, and the trim is 100% cotton. And so that's really pretty. I like that. Those colors are nice for spring. Next is an item by Pink Clover. It is the Maya Colorblock sleeve knit top in beige, and it's of course super soft. It's kind of like a lightweight sweatshirt maybe, very soft, and it has the color blocking on the sleeve. It's got like a mauve pink and like a dark gray, almost black right there. It's got a little cuff right there. Just a very basic casual piece, but I like the fact that it's lightweight and it has the pink for spring. Next is the cardigan by Lety and me, the Oaklyn rib sleeve cardigan in dark pink. And this is a great color for spring. It does not have any pockets. It has some ribbing detail throughout the cardigan, like on the sleeve and on the side. Very stretchy. Not a super long cardigan either, but it's a pretty color. It's gonna pair well with that navy top, I think. Next is the dress by French Gray, the Lilian knit dress in black. And I like French Gray dresses because they're really soft. It's just a small floral print. It's got like a light pink. It looks like a hot pink or a red in there. And it's on a black background. It does come in at the waist a little bit. I don't know that you can see it, like maybe there's an elastic waist right there. The print's very small. I'm gonna get up close so you can see what the print looks like. But I think that would pair really well with that pink cardigan. I like that. And then last but not least, the jeans. And jeans are always a struggle. So these are by Can, the Brenda ankle skinny jean in indigo size 10. And they have this really cute button fly. I do not own any button fly jeans. They've got some fading. And let's see. Oh, they have some distressing. This will be the first pair of jeans that I have that have any kind of distressing because I don't own any like that. They also have some distressing on the bottom, and it looks like that released hem. Now what concerns me is that they're an ankle jean, and sometimes ankle jeans for me can be too short, and ankle jeans on people usually look really cute, but for my long legs sometimes it just looks like I'm wearing high water. So I'll be interested to see how those are going to work. They look a little bit short, so we'll check that out. But I'm going to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items, and on top, we'll talk about this first, is the Pink Clover Maya Colorblock sleeve knit top in beige. And this is one of those really super soft pink clover tops. It has this cute little crisscross detail going across the front. It's got the color blocking going down the sleeve. It's got the pink and then a dark gray, almost black. It comes down to a nice length, covers the bottom, which is always good. It is one of those types of fabrics where you may want to wash it inside out to kind of prevent like the peeling and the balling up that may happen with this type of fabric. But it is a nice little lightweight, almost like sweatshirt that would be good for transitioning into spring. On the bottom was my concern. The Can Brenda ankle skinny jean, size 10. And they have this cute little button fly detail, which I don't own any button fly jeans. They've got this nice fading right here on the top. There's the distressing on the knee. I do worry about, like, after a while you'd have to be careful, like it might just, you know, come apart right there. But let me pan down and show you the length. They are an ankle jean. However, they hit me about 2 inches above my ankle. So my ankle's like down here and they hit up here. I think they're really cute, but I think the only way I could wear them is if I wore them with like sandals or flip-flops for spring and summer. Ankle jeans don't normally hit me at ankle length, so, but they fit really well. They've got the fading right here on the bottom too. What do you guys think? Would these work as like a spring and summer jean with the length of them? I'm kind of on the fence with these. I think they're kind of cute, but at the same time, I'm really worried about that length. It's almost like it's in between a jean and a capri. So if I wore them with like flip-flops or sandals, I think it would work, but you guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna try the paisley shirt with the cardigan and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with the paisley top. And so this is by Loveappella. And I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, the Dovyan crochet lace detail knit top in navy. So it has this really pretty navy crochet detail. You can see the paisley print and the colors here. Very stretchy. It's a good length. Comes down low on the back to cover my bottom, which I do like. And I'm actually really starting to like these jeans. I think I can kind of see where she was going, like more of a spring/summer jean. I think that would be really cute, but I'm gonna pan down a little bit and you guys tell me what you think about this combination. I think this really works well together because of the navy and the darker colors in the jean. What do you guys think? All right, I'm gonna put the cardigan on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I have thrown on this pink cardigan, and this is by Lety and me, the Oaklyn rib sleeve cardigan in dark pink. And even though the colors in it aren't exactly like the same exact pink, I think the cardigan goes well with the paisley top. It's got good sleeve length. It's stretchy. It doesn't have pockets. That's one thing that it does not have. It has a lot of this ribbing detail, like on the sleeve, down the front. On the side, it kind of ribs diagonally, but I think it's a good little piece to put over top of this tank top for spring. So you guys tell me what you think. Do you think it pairs well together? And I really think these jeans are growing on me. All right, I'm gonna try the dress on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this dress, and this dress is by French Grey. It is a Lilian knit dress in black. And so Kara said that black and white is on trend for spring. So this dress has a black background. It has a small floral print. I'm gonna get up close so you can see. It's got like a peach pink almost, then a darker pink, and then almost like a hot pink or red in it. It's very soft. I own another French Grey dress, and it washes and wears very well, even though it's like that brush knit material. Good sleeve length for spring. It does come in right here. It kind of blends in, but there is like an elastic waist right there. I did pair it with some black leggings because these dresses tend to be a little shorter on me. But I do think this would be really cute with some like pink or red ballet flats. She suggested I pair it with the pink cardigan, so I'm gonna put that on and I'll be right back. All right, so this is how the dress looks paired with the cardigan. And I think that it pairs well together and it gives it that nice spring look. The length of the cardigan is good with the dress. So yeah, I think I really like this. What do you guys think? Kind of screams teacher outfit, doesn't it? All right, I'm gonna get changed and I'm gonna be back to do a recap and to talk about prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And overall, I think Kara did a fantastic job. She always does a wonderful job. I asked for some spring colors and she sent that to me. So let's look at the items on my list. First off was this top by Loveappella, the Dovyan, I think I'm saying that right, crocheted lace detail knit top in navy. I thought it paired really well with the pink cardigan. I think it looked really cute with the jeans, and I could see that being a nice little spring summer outfit. So the cost of this was $48. Next is the pink Clover Maya Colorblock sleeve knit top in beige, and that's this one, the lightweight sweater with the Colorblock sleeves. It's soft, it's lightweight. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it between now and summer, but it is priced well, and it's soft and comfortable, and the cost of that is $40. Next is a dress by French Grey, and this is the Lilian knit dress in black, and it had that really pretty floral print, and it paired really well with the cardigan, and I love the fact that it was a soft and comfortable dress, so that was nice, and the cost of it is $50. Next is the cardigan by Lety and me. This is the Oaklyn rib sleeve cardigan in dark pink, and it had the ribbing on the front and on the sleeves and on the sides. It was a great color. I love this color for spring. It went well with the paisley top. It went well with the dress, and the cost of this was $46. And last but not least were the jeans, and I was really worried about these jeans, but the more I wore them, the more I was like, I can see these really looking cute in spring and summer with like some flip-flops or some sandals. And so these are the Can Brenda ankle skinny jean in indigo size 10, and the cost was $58. I just thought they were really cute after I got over the fact that they were a little bit shorter. So they actually grew on me quite a bit, but you guys tell me what you think. I think these are gonna be keepers after all. And so the stylist pick subtotal was $242. A buy all discount of 25% takes off $60.50. The order subtotal will be $181.50, which was a good price for a pair of jeans, a cardigan, a dress, 2 tops. You know, I think that's a good price. The shipping was free, so my total was $181.50. I'm going to leave my referral link in the description box below. That referral link is good for $50 towards your first fix. So basically that's going to waive your styling fee and give you $50 to spend on anything in your box. Remember, you only pay for what you keep, and shipping is free both ways, so it is a very convenient, easy way to shop for clothes, especially during this pandemic. So tell me what you guys thought about my items. Would you keep everything? I think I'm leaning that way, but you tell me what you think. And until next time, bye guys.